In today's video, we want to show you how to put saddle bracket on Royal Enfield motorcycle. What I have now here is a classic 500cc. It's basically the same way you can put the brackets on Meteor 350, Reborn 350, Interceptor, GT 650 and many other Royal Enfield motorcycles. We do have IXG brackets for most of those models. By following this video, you would be able to do bracket installation pretty much by yourself on most of the Royal Enfield models similar to classic 500s. But when it comes to Himalayan and Scram, Himalayan 450, the brackets are a little different. I will do another video for that. But for this one, very simple. You only need to remove two mounting bolts. One is the shock mount, the top bolt, and another one is a fender stay. So by removing these two, this attaches straight in without any more modifications. Let's go. So we have a 17 mm nut and a 15 mm. So we have to remove that first, loosen it up. Okay, that comes off. You can remove this spacer. We don't need this anymore because we are going to put the brackets in. Second, we need to remove the fender stay, this one. So for that, we need a 13 mm socket. And a 12 mm. Okay, now we are putting back this one, the bracket. The nut goes in. No need to tighten yet, just put it in place. And this one, this bolt, the fender stay bolt, will also go in. Contra. Okay, the bracket is already fitted. Now the last thing to do is to put this bottom bracket, which is actually a removable item. So we just bolt it on. This is very useful when you are using soft saddle bags. So the bag will not sag down even with a heavy weight. It's getting a support from this bottom support bracket. So the bag will stay straight and it retains its shape. It doesn't sag down and then break where the mounting points are. This is actually removable, like I said. So in case if you're not using the bag and then you want a slimmer profile for the bike, you can just unbolt it and then remove it. It's very easy to do. Just two bolts and then it stays like that. So that's it. There you go. Easy to fit IXG saddle brackets. Okay. So that's the final fitting. Going to put this. Okay, ready now. Ready enough for the travel.